Hello, everyone. I am Abby, the AI assistant, who will be hosting this Collaborate Session 5. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects all of us as students: test-taking strategies. Whether you're acing your exams or struggling with the anxiety that comes with them, this session is for you. We're going to focus on practical, research-based strategies that will help you succeed in your psychology research course and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll have new tools to tackle both multiple choice and essay questions, improve your memory recall, and boost your confidence. So, let's dive in. First things first, preparation is key. You've heard it a million times, but let me explain why it's scientifically true. Research in psychology tells us that distributed practice, studying in small, spaced-out chunks, is far more effective than cramming. Here's what to do. 1. Create a study plan. Break down your study material into manageable chunks. For research courses, focus on major concepts like hypothesis testing, experimental design, and statistical analysis. 2. Review regularly. Schedule regular review sessions. In psychology, reviewing early and often is critical for long-term retention. Use flashcards or quiz apps to test your knowledge of key terms and theories. 3. Take practice tests. Practice exams aren't just to check your knowledge. They help reduce anxiety and improve recall by familiarizing your brain with the test format. Taking practice tests is also a form of retrieval practice. You're training your brain to pull information out, which strengthens your memory. Think of it like exercising a muscle. Multiple choice questions can be tricky, especially in psychology, where similar terms can trip you up. Here's how to master them. 1. Read carefully. Pay attention to every word in the question. Sometimes one small word like not or always can change the meaning completely. 2. Eliminate wrong answers. Before choosing, try eliminating the most obviously wrong answers. You've now increased your odds of guessing correctly if needed. 3. Watch for keywords. In psychology research exams, questions often hinge on terms like causality, significance, or validity. Make sure you fully understand these terms. Also, beware of answer choices that seem too extreme. In psychology, research rarely deals in absolutes. So, if you see an option that says always or never, it's probably wrong. Now we are going to focus on talking tests with essay questions. This is where your understanding of concepts shines. Here's a 3-step process to ace these. 1. Break down the question. Before you start writing, take a moment to break down what the question is asking. Look for keywords like explain, compare, or analyze. In research courses, you'll often be asked to explain the methodology or evaluate results. 2. Create a brief outline. Structure your thoughts before you dive in. Start with a clear introduction that states your main point. Then, use examples from your research course, like a specific study or theory, to support your arguments. 3. Use key terminology. Incorporate the course vocabulary, like control group, independent variable, and p-value. This not only demonstrates your understanding, but also makes your essay more persuasive. Remember, clarity is key. Avoid rambling, and always back your points with examples from the course or relevant psychological research. Let's face it, test anxiety is real, especially in a research-heavy course where there's a lot of material to cover. But don't worry, I've got strategies to help you keep calm and focused during the exam. 1. Deep breathing. Before you start the test, take a few slow, deep breaths. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps calm your nerves. 2. Positive visualization. Picture yourself succeeding. It might sound cheesy, but research in psychology shows that visualizing success can actually improve performance. 3. Time management. Keep an eye on the clock, but don't rush. Start with the questions you know well to build confidence, then move on to the more challenging ones. And here's a bonus tip. If you start feeling anxious during the test, quickly bring your focus back to the present moment. This will stop your brain from spiraling into what-if scenarios. Remember to learn from every test experience. After the test, don't just move on. There's valuable information to be gained from reviewing your answers. Here's how you can maximize that learning. 1. Analyze mistakes. Look at where you went wrong and why. Was it a misunderstanding of a concept? A misreading of the question? This will help you pinpoint areas to improve. 2. Track progress. Keep a log of your grades and feedback throughout the course. Over time, you'll notice trends in your performance. Are you improving in specific areas? Are there recurring issues? 3. Seek feedback. Don't be afraid to ask your professor for clarification on missed questions. Understanding where you went wrong is crucial for growth, especially in a psychology research course. Think of preparing for tests like mini research experiments, and with each trial, you get better and better. This is why you must learn from each experience so do not repeat the same mistakes. Just like in research methods. Think of it as part of your learning process. Every mistake is an opportunity to deepen your understanding. So, to wrap it all up, preparing for a test is about more than memorizing facts. It's about understanding the material deeply, practicing effectively, and managing your time and emotions during the exam. Remember, you've got this. With these strategies, you'll not only perform better on your psychology research tests, but you'll also feel more confident and prepared. Good luck and happy studying. Thank you for joining us today. Please join us next week for Collaboration Session 6. Have a great day.